Setting up the Ring device should be very simple. You're going to need the apps in the App Store. You're going to need to have your Wi-Fi on. You got to sync it with the device. Then put it onto the wall. Then customize it later through the app. For this, I'm going to need to switch over to my other camera because I need my phone to sync it to the device. Alright, I'm just screwing in the last one here. Got that in, make sure they're all tight in there. Oh, what happened with this one? Oh, a little bit too tight. The little washer thing came off. Yep. It'll be alright. Squeeze that down there. Make sure this one's tight. Okay. Now to charge the device. I think they give you like partial charge, but you need to charge up the device. Make sure that it's fully charged before you put it out on the wall. Alright, so I'm back here in, I guess, the back office space. I'm gonna try and record this and hold it at the same time. Nope, wait. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so you just basically slide it out from the side here after you cut the little tabs. It'll look like this here. There's the device, the drill to drill into the wall, the screw to screw it, the bracket onto the wall, and this is to screw this onto the bracket. This is the leveler to make sure it's level so your video quality doesn't come out unaligned or crooked. And then there's the stuff that goes into the wall along with the screws and everything. Let me just open this up for you here. Here's the device. Be careful not to drop it. And then on the back here, it has the reset button in orange there. I put my thumb over this because I'm covering my Mac ID address. This does connect to Wi-Fi. And back here is the charging port. You can use a regular Android USB charger to charge that. Let me get here goes the instructions. Some little diode it's telling me to install. We got to read about that. I didn't see that one in the last one. Set up an installation. There's a little screws that go into the device that attaches to the bracket that's already mounted on the wall. So you have to mount the bracket first, then put the device onto the bracket, and then put the little screws on there so nobody doesn't like run off with your $200 device. Oh. Right in here, let me put this down. Right in here is the bracket. You got to peel those off, of course, like it says. Behind there is the USB charger. Damn, why did it make it so difficult to come out? Okay, there it is. There it is. So you're going to put one screw there, one up here, one up there. I already have mine already screwed in from the last one. Make sure you peel those off. And this part right here will be up against the wall. So essentially, if my hand here is the wall, it'll be like this. Then you'd put this device onto it like that and lock it in place. Then put the screws here on the bottom. Well, they're already there. Onto the bottom and lock it in. Alright, this is setting it up. Let's see here. Go to my app. set up device. This one is a Ring video doorbell. Go to the front door. Location settings. I don't really like to share my location settings, but turn it on for now. Hit the back button. By the way, I'm doing this on an LG Aristo through Metro PCS. Supposed to have the address here. Doesn't find it, you can also enter it in. It has my address between like 4 or 5 different houses. I'll just enter it in. Okay, so now that we got that, now we enter the address, press and release the orange button on the back. Flip this over. That starts to happen. Hit continue. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Setup didn't complete. What the hell? That must be something with my Wi-Fi. Is the light on the front of the doorbell, front of your Ring doorbell spinning? Yes. Now it's talking to it. Give it a second. And here I am. My internet's secured, so I have to set it up, hook it up to Warlord, and give me a sec because I got to put in my password. Okay. Now it's syncing to it. It's joining it. Tells you Rome wasn't built in one day. Garage says setup complete. Continue. I'm gonna skip for now. Skip. It's asking me to do something else. So it should be set up. But its light still flashes, so let's see what that's about. Click on it. Ready yet? Stop flashing, yeah. Enable live view. At any time. Save, because I want to be able to see it if I'm away. Okay, so I guess I can do this and click it. And then the live view comes up. And there I am.